Take a look at this fucker right here. It's an abomination. I hate it. How did anyone think this was a good idea for an emoji? The point of emojis is to show emotion. Well, what emotion does this show? Do you just wake up in the morning and think, wow, I sure do feel like a massive fucking stone today? It provokes me whenever I see it. It mocks me with its smug visage. What I really want to do is drive down to the emoji headquarters, find the computer that hosts this specific emoji, and light it on fire! I'd like to push it off a cliff and watch it shatter into itty bitty pieces. And people just comment with it, as if it's funny. It's not! Oh wow, a stonehead! I'm so fucking hilarious and original! I'll use it in every comment I post. No! Stop it! Why does it have to be so goddamn smug? You're a fucking stone. You have no goals. You will never accomplish anything in life apart from pissing me off. Moyai, more like, go die!